So let's start with the chapter, children. Here I will be teaching you only a paragraph so that it is very easy for you to understand, and moreover you will not feel it hectic or burdensome. Let's start gradually, okay, so that you can understand nicely. The following day after dinner, Clara's grandmother froze Sesamine. Now this word Frau, right? Frau, it means Mrs. Okay, so in German you denote Mrs. as what? Frau. So here Sesamine is who? Sesamine is the name of grandmother. Whose grandmother? Clara's grandmother. Now children, we have almost come across with 5 characters, right? That is Heidi, one. Second is her grandfather. Third is Peter. Fourth is Clara. And fifth one is Frau Sesamine, that is grandmother of Clara. Okay. Now here we are coming across a new character, and she is Fräulein Rottenmeier. Okay. Now here again coming to this line, the following day after dinner, Clara's grandmother Frau Sesamine said to Fräulein Rottenmeier. That is, Fräulein is used in German to denote Miss. Okay, Miss. So Miss Rottenmeier. Okay, so she is the housekeeper. Okay, she is the housekeeper of Mrs. Sesamine. That is Clara's grandmother. So she is the housekeeper. The housekeeper, go and bring Heidi to my room. I have some nice books with me that I would like to give her. Now, the grandmother, she orders the housekeeper, Miss Rottenmeier, that you please go and get my book from the room. Sorry, go and get Heidi from the room. I have some nice book. So she wanted, who wanted? The grandmother wanted that Heidi should come to her so that she could give her some good books to read, because here the grandmother knew that she is feeling alone, she is feeling unhappy. So just to distract her, that is, distract in the sense just to bring her out from that trauma, that pain of missing her home, the grandmother thought to engage her in some activity, and that activity was reading book. Okay, so I hope till here it is clear to you. But that's just it, replied Fräulein Rottenmeier, throwing up her hands in despair. Of what use are books to her? She does not even know the alphabet yet. It is quite impossible to teach her anything. The tutor will tell you himself. If he didn't have the patience of a saint, he would have given up trying to teach her long ago. I came to this, okay? Please note that I have completed this para, okay? Now here, this lady, that is Miss Rottenmeier, she is not happy with what grandmother told to her, okay? She says that, I don't think so, madam, that the books will help her, because she do not know how to read. So the books are of no use to her, right? She don't even know how to read, and she don't even know the alphabets. How is it possible that you are calling her to read something? So this was the reaction when Mrs. Sesamine tell Miss Rottenmeier to go and bring Hedy to her room. Okay. Adding to the statements made by Miss Rottenmeier, she told that it is quite impossible to teach her anything. The tutor will tell you himself. If he didn't have the patience of a saint, he would have given up trying to teach her long ago. That is, she's saying that hats off to that teacher who taught or who had that courage to teach Hedy, because it is he who had that patience, it is he who had that level of patience to teach a girl like Hedy. So these are the statements made by whom? Fräulein, that is Miss Rottenmeier, the housekeeper of Clara. Okay. So I hope till here it is understood to you. I will be taking the next paragraph in the next class. Till then, stay tuned, take care, and stay safe. Thank you.